we'll guide you through how to use Dropbox Office to streamline your document management. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com, then log in with your Dropbox account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Look for the menu on the left-hand side and click on the option labeled Paper, which is Dropbox's own office suite for document creation and collaboration. Next, to create a new document, click on the blue Create New Doc button located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a blank document where you can start typing your content. Dropbox Paper is great for collaborative work, so you can easily share your document with others by clicking the Share button in the top right corner. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with and choose their access level, either can edit or can comment. They will receive an invitation to join and work on the document with you. If you have existing documents on your computer that you want to work on using Dropbox Office, you can upload them by going back to the main dashboard, clicking on the Upload Files button, and selecting the files from your device. Once uploaded, you can open these files directly in Dropbox Paper. You can also organize your documents by creating folders. Simply click on Create New Folder on the left-hand menu, name your folder, and drag your documents into it. This helps keep everything neat and easy to find. Dropbox Office also integrates with other tools, like Slack and Trello, so you can streamline your workflow even further. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.